In this video, I'll be showing you how to check pending Robux on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I'm on Roblox right now, and usually what you'd have to do is go over to the top right and press your Robux icon, and you might see pending Robux right here. But on the application, it doesn't actually let you do that. So what you want to do is go out of the application and go to your browser of choice. So I'll be using Safari, and then just open up Roblox from here and just sign into your account from here. You can continue in app, or I want to press continue in browser, and then just make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now, what I want to go ahead and do is press the Robux icon on the top right. Then I'm going to go to my transactions. Once I go ahead and click my transactions, I'm going to go ahead and see any pending Robux right under incoming Robux. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So you have to do it through your browser. You can't do it through the application. So just log in on a browser with the same account and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.